Hi everybody, today I am making a really easy but super tasty Thanksgiving dish for myself. I've got a can of cranberry juice in there and a third cup of orange juice and one packet of this is the onion flavor in there, right on top. And then I've got a couple of other spices. The first one is paprika, and I'm just gonna be using 1 teaspoon. So that's 1 teaspoon of paprika. I've got an additional 1 teaspoon of this poultry seasoning. Do you guys know what actually is in poultry seasoning? I think sage is in there, but I don't know what else. So if you know, let me know in the comments. And our last flavoring is garlic powder. You're probably wondering, what am I doing with orange juice and cranberry sauce and garlic powder and poultry seasoning? Well, to all those spices, we're adding 2 teaspoons of dark brown sugar, just for a little sweetness. There's 1, and there's 2. Once we've got that, just mush this down. This all combined. And you can use just the jellied cranberry sauce or the whole berry. I'm using the whole berry one, but that's just my personal preference. You can use this jellied cranberry sauce if you don't like, the berries. So just mush this all down. Oh, even before I turn this on, it already smells amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And then I've got this turkey. It's a 3-pound turkey breast only. You don't, it's a small gathering, so you don't need to use the entire turkey. And look, it fits perfect. So smush it in there. Just take your hands, probably just be easier, and just kind of massage that turkey with this cranberry onion soup goodness. And then it's just that simple. Oh, I do have one more ingredient because I want to add just a little bit of extra fat because it's just turkey breast and not a whole turkey. And so we're going to add a whole stick of butter. I'm just going to put that right on top, just like that. I put the lid on this. It's going to go on low for 4 to 6 hours. And then we're going to do a taste test. It smells so good in here, guys. Ooh, look at this, guys. It looks amazing. Oh my God. And it smells so good in the kitchen right now. Like, let me see if I can tip this closer to you. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm going to get a board to cut it on, but I need to move this out of the way. So how do I do that? Okay, I'm going to I can slide it with that. Perfect. Just need to make sure I can get it out. Look at that. Go ahead and move this some more. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. This has been going on low for about 5 hours. So oh, look. Okay. Oh, that looks amazing. One more slice. I'm gonna hold on to this whole, but this is gonna be so amazing in like sandwiches later. Okay, let me grab a fork. And oh, that looks amazing. Melt in your mouth. You guys have to have this. Thanksgiving, Christmas, any kind of holiday where you don't need to have a whole turkey. Make this. You'll love it.